Is law merely an extension of morality, or does it exist in its own right, independent and distinct? This provocative question forms the backbone of Ronald Dworkin's seminal work, Law's Empire. Dworkin, in the preface of his work, introduces us to his primary concern, the expansive empire of law that extends not just within the realm of legal philosophy, but also into politics, sociology, morals, ethics, and aesthetics. Delving into the depths of legal philosophy, Dworkin navigates through the complex relationship between law, morality, and interpretation, focusing on three types of law: conventionalism, pragmatism, semantic theory, and law as integrity. He proposes his principle of the semantic sting, which differentiates between internal skepticism and external skepticism. He then presents his concept of law as the theory of what forms the ground of law, simultaneously criticizing HLA approach. Dworkin's strong critique of conventionalism goes hand in hand with his assertion of its failure. He dismisses pragmatism, placing emphasis on justice as integrity, fairness, and due process instead. Dworkin's view of justice is not limited to processes, but extends to outcomes. He asserts that jurisprudence should not ignore political theory, and a stance that may seem controversial to some, but the insights it provokes are undeniable. It's through this exploration that Law's Empire underscores the inextricable link between law, morality, and the larger society. Law's Empire is a vast landscape, probing into the philosophical foundations of law and the often tangled relationship between law and morality. The book is not merely a discussion, it's an exploration. Dworkin delves into the nature of legal interpretation, the process of judicial decision-making, and the essence of legal principles. This is a book that goes beyond the boundaries of legal positivism, aiming to reconcile law with moral principles. It poses questions of justice, rights, and the role of legal institutions. This is not a book for legal scholars alone. It's a book for anyone interested in understanding the philosophical underpinnings of the legal system. The language of Law's Empire is complex, dense with philosophical nuances. Readers unfamiliar with legal theory or moral philosophy may find it challenging. Some critics argue that Dworkin's approach might be too idealistic, relying heavily on moral reasoning in legal interpretation. However, these limitations do not detract from the potency of the book's influence and the thought-provoking insights it offers. Indeed, the critics of Law's Empire often focus on its perceived idealism and the emphasis on moral reasoning in legal interpretation. Skeptics argue that Dworkin's interpretivism might be too abstract, lacking a concrete framework for tackling complex legal issues. They contend that his emphasis on the unity of legal principles might hinder flexibility in adapting to changing social contexts. Some legal positivists challenge Dworkin's rejection of a clear separation between law and morality. They argue that such a distinction is essential for an objective and predictable legal system. Despite these criticisms, Law's Empire continues to inspire scholarly debate, contributing to ongoing discussions about the nature of law and its relationship with morality. For those with a keen interest in legal philosophy and the theoretical foundations of law, Law's Empire is a must-read. It provides a comprehensive examination of the relationship between law and morality and the debates surrounding legal interpretation and principles. It is a valuable resource for law students, legal scholars, and philosophers seeking a deeper understanding of the moral dimensions of the legal system. In conclusion, Law's Empire challenges conventional perspectives and sparks intellectual discourse. It uncovers the moral dimensions of the legal system, emphasizes the importance of integrity in judicial decision-making, and explores the philosophical foundations of law. Whether you agree with Dworkin's views or not, his work undoubtedly provokes thought and contributes significantly to the discourse on law and morality. And isn't that what great philosophical works are meant to do?